friends, thank you for coming here. My name is Ruchi Pratap and this is my channel Analyzing Success. And you must be realizing, why am I calling this as Analyzing Success? It's because I am not here to give you an information download of what I think is right or wrong. That's not what I'm here for. I'm here to understand you, what success means for you. If you are doing a great job in your work, how do you define success for yourself? If you have great relationships, do you think you are successful in your relationships? So we will get on this journey together and we will try to understand what success means, because everybody is a very different person. So we cannot say that one success formula fits everybody. That is absolutely incorrect. So today we will not listen to the others. We will look at certain stories. We will try to analyze what success means, and then you are free to drive your own meaning. Let's get started. So friends, first of all, try to understand who is a successful person according to you. Now, is it a famous person? Is it a rich person? Is it a reputed person? Or can you think of anyone else who pops in your mind? Okay, so friends, I am not going to tell you who are you imagining, okay? I'm not a magician, but let's close our eyes for a second and try to picturize a person in our mind who we think is a successful person. Let's do that for a few seconds. Okay, by now I'm sure you would have picturized some people in your mind, and as you can see, I have 3 pictures over here, and maybe some of you have thought of one of these people, or maybe even a more. But let's see why these people came to your mind. Okay, so guys, as you all are aware, Jeff Bezos is the CEO of Amazon and he's the richest person in the world. Then we have Mukesh Ambani, who's the managing director for Reliance Industries Limited, and he's the richest person in India. And we also have Bill Gates, who's the founder for Microsoft. So friends, now we will take a step back in the journey of these rich people. Some people also consider them to be successful because they're wealthy, they're rich. So let's take a step back and try to understand what brought them to the place where they are currently, why they are so successful. Okay, so guys, let's talk about Jeff Bezos first. Now, do you know he's the world's richest person since the year 2017? But let me tell you that when he was only 22 years old, he graduated from Princeton University and got 3 job offers from top firms. Even after getting job offers from top 3 companies, Jeff turned down all those offers because he wanted to start up his own company. He started off Amazon from his parents' garage when he was nearly 30 years old, and it started off as a book company. And this is the picture what you see over here. Now, as you might be aware, Mukesh Ambani is the richest man in India. But do you know he's also the 4th richest man in the world? When he was 23 years old, he completed his chemical engineering. He enrolled for MBA at Stanford University, but he had to drop out. So do you know that Mukesh Ambani did not drop out of his MBA by choice? He was called back by his father Dhirubhai Ambani back to India because he wanted his help in building Reliance, because that was his way of teaching his son the great practical knowledge. Moving on, let's talk about another self-made person, Bill Gates, who's the co-founder of Microsoft Corporation, and who doesn't know Microsoft? He was 13 years old when he wrote his first program, but his family members were all in law at that point of time, and they wanted him to pursue the same career. So when Bill Gates was 18 years old, he enrolled in Harvard, but he had to drop out after 2 years. After that also, he saw a lot of ups and downs. However, he actually ended up establishing a great company, Microsoft, when he was nearly 31 years old. So, well, friends, after hearing these 3 stories, you must be thinking, oh, these people really started off very early. But there are more commonalities than you can think of. These people knew what they were good at, and they kept on working hard to improve their skills all the time. Are you doing that? The second thing which stands out as a commonality between these 3 stories is that these people didn't really stop at doing what they could initially. They kept on trying new things. They kept on diversifying their skill set. And the third and the most important aspect, which they all did, they failed many a times. But they had the courage to spring back with more energy, with more enthusiasm, with more determination. That's the most important part. So, friends, if I have to summarize the learning of all these three stories, then I would say success basically percolates into three elements. The first element being knowing your strength, doing a lot of hard work, and the ability to overcome failures. That's about it.